love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
Pay attention to these key levels. That's what we're going to focus today. You are welcome once again on the Beton's Crypto. This is an early morning in Sweden, Gothenburg, and I'm happy to bring this cryptocurrency video to you this morning. There's a couple of stuff I want us to discuss today. It's gonna be, not the usual. Guys, I always pop up here and try to share with you guys what I think is going on in the market and how you guys can react to it. And today I want us to pay attention to certain key levels, in Bitcoin and in crypto, because it's very important you pay attention to these levels. Crypto is here, but it's not here as well, because it can go away by stealing your dollar. When when you're not able to trade anymore, it means crypto is not there for you. But if say you're able to trade and invest, then crypto is for you. Right, so let's just dive right away. Let's begin with Bitcoin, and we're gonna look at Floki Inu also and other coins out there that I always share with you guys. Yeah. Now this is the chart of Bitcoin, guys, and we are looking at the volume profile. Looking at the volume profile, let's go first on the daily time frame so we can get some perspective as to what is going on in the market. Now, the volume profile tells me that Bitcoin is actually consolidating sideways on the daily time frame, and Bitcoin has made this huge pump to the upside, and this is in anticipation of the Bitcoin ETFs. That means this pump is a Bitcoin ETF pump. And is it by the news, said the rumor, or said the rumor by the news? We don't know, right? I don't care much as to when the BlackRock ETF will come. I care much as to what is going on the chart. And looking at the chart on the 4 hours time frame, it tells me that Bitcoin is holding. It's holding strong above this. This is the alpha trend, this indicator here, the alpha trend, and Bitcoin is holding above the alpha trend, and that means Bitcoin looks bullish. But if say we look at the volume profile rules, if say price get to the value profile, the value area high, it means we're gonna look for shorts, and if say price get to the value area low, we're gonna look for longs. So in this case, I don't see any reason why any of you should be longing Bitcoin right now. What you can do is, you can draw this. I think this is already something I think most people have done. You can draw this like this, and this is trend line. Even though trend line is not really let's say trend line. I don't use trend line anymore because I think it's not that it's still a lagging indicator. But what I want to see is for Bitcoin to make a move and break this trend line, then come back, retest it, and hold. That's what I want to see. And that's going to be a catalyst for me to now start stacking other altcoins, out there. I recently bought, there's a new way I'm trading right now using OKX. Those of you who want to learn more on how you can use every means, like I'm using bot to trade, how you can use bot properly. If you want to learn that, first of all, use my link below to register with OKX. I'm now an official partner of OKX, and Bybit. So using my link, you're gonna get massive bonuses. Like for OKX, you're gonna get 20%. So make sure you use my link with OKX. And also, as we go with this platform, I'm gonna do competitions on OKX So yeah, as their partner, I can request maybe competition, and we can do it together. Like not together like with me, but to my community. So you guys should keep being part of this community. Let's go together and see how we can take advantage of this market. I know like most of you are too busy. You don't have time to actually look at the chart or to learn technical analysis. But I'm gonna tell you that you understanding some aspect of technical analysis is gonna help you enormously in your trading. If you don't understand technical analysis, then pay someone who understand, to help you. That's why I am gonna become like not that I'm gonna come up. I already have it, or the link below, the first link below this video. My link tree. You can be part of my Patreon, and there's this section where you're gonna pay $9. I think $9 monthly, and you're gonna get all the signals, everything I do. Right, if I buy, you're gonna get signal. If I sell, you're gonna get signal. Right, this is gonna be effective. I know most of you who are in my VIP. Those of you who wanna keep being in my VIP, you're gonna be there. But if I've helped you make money, I think the least you can do is also support me by giving me back something like $10 monthly wouldn't be something for you if say I'm helping you making hundreds of dollars every month, right? So I think we can help each other here and support so I keep growing and be able to provide this content to more people out there. If you guys love what I do, then we're gonna do that. So where am I right now? Okay, I'm on this chart now, guys. What is cool to me is when I look at other altcoins like OD. Most of you don't understand what is going on here in the crypto space. You just want to buy coins because you are excited to buy the coins. But guys, I don't buy coins because I'm excited to buy the coins these days. I buy coins because I see that the coin have potential to move to the upside alongside Bitcoin. The idea here is that I want to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I can. So I try as hard as possible to look for coins that can move when Bitcoin is moved. And OD is one of the coins that moves alongside Bitcoin, or even if not alongside Bitcoin, but it always moves. Meaning, there are investors who love, accumulating this bad boy. So take OD serious. Don't don't look at it as a coin that is not for you. Take it serious. We can see OD get to like $50. Yeah, this coin, like if say you don't know what OD is more on decentralized social media platform. So they are more of like into the media, social media space, building social media platforms. But I think this is a good thing for the crypto space or for the world. And looking at this indicator here, we can see the Vumencho is still printing. We can see money flow is still green here, and we can see a money flow is starting to form, and we can see this blue dot here, meaning it's a buy signal. And we can see here the volume is so high, meaning this is real. It's not like fake volume. They are way buyers, buying this bad boy. And also, if I look at look at this chart, guys, it's almost similar to Bitcoin, right? But the difference is that when coins like this, like it moves this way, the percentage that it moves is high because of low liquidity. So you can see Bitcoin move like this to this upside, and it's just like 5% or 10%. But this coin, if I calculate how many percentage that this coin have moved from this zone to where it is right now, you'll be shocked to see that it has been about 90%. Like you can see, okay, this is it. That's about 96% to the upside. Okay, let's just do this again also with Bitcoin, so you guys can see that when Bitcoin is moving and you focus on other altcoins, because this is still the daily time frame. No, this is the 4 hours time frame. If I now pluck it now from the bottom also with this one, because it's similar chart, to the top, not this one. Let me take this out. This is the tool that I want to use. So if I take it from there to the upside, how many percentage you see that? That's 38% for Bitcoin. But Audi gave me almost 1x. So that's why I'm telling you guys that, like, if I zoom out, and see that Bitcoin was at this zone. If Bitcoin was at this zone, it means that Audi also was down there. Let's go to Audi, so we can compare. I love to do this because you can see clearly that Bitcoin is a tool that you can use to trade these altcoins, and if you do that properly, you can see the same thing. This bad boy was moving sideways. Bitcoin was moving sideways. This bad boy was moving sideways. You can see, and Bitcoin spiked. This bad boy spiked to the upside, and this bad boy gave us 1x. So, I mean, it's easy. Like, now to me, it's easy. I can see like clearly what to do. Like, right now, I'm caution. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm doing bot trading, guys. Like, right now, I'm doing bot trading, and the reason why I'm doing bot trading is because I'm DCAing in a particular range. Right, I don't want to just buy at once. I want to DCA in a particular range, and like, if say the market keep going sideways, I can make more profit. So the DCA board is found. You can find it on OKX. Let me see if I can show you guys how to get this DCA board. So this is my OKX. You can see I have 2 bots running. So this is my OKX. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, you go to the trades. You can see. Let's see. Trading bot. Yeah, trading bot. You can go to trading bot. Wow, you can see, guys. This is. I have this on my trading bot, and I have some money there that I'm trying to maximize and use it. You can see I'm already up $4 OD. I'm already up 6 plus 6. So DCA I've already bought now. So I put in there about $200 to average asset in board. So now it has buy up to $70, and I'm up in this amount. I put the same amount in Bitcoin, and I'm waiting for Bitcoin to keep buying and the DCA. Like, my idea is, if I see, like, I'm not mostly in Bitcoin right now, on OKX, I'm just like, OKX, I have different strategy, but Bitcoin, I have to have some asset in Bitcoin because I want Bitcoin to give me the signal, so that I can know when to buy this other altcoin. So you can get to the board. Let's see. This is the easiest way to go to the board is go to trade. Let's say just use perpetual swap futures. Go to futures. Yeah, and OKX on your computer, you can see here on the top left corner it says trading bot. You can leave manual trading to trading bot. And when you click on trading bot, you're gonna see on the right hand corner all the bots do appear: the spots grid board, the futures grid board, the signal board, the future DCA Martingale. I'm using the spot DCA Martingale. Yeah, this is what I'm using, the spot DCA. And what this does is it creates a range. Let's say, for example, let me see if let me show you guys here. It creates this range here, and you can put an amount that you want to invest, that you want to the bot to invest. Like, right now I have $100 on my OKX available on my OKX on the trading bot. So I can create a bot. I can say, okay, the price steps is 1%, the TP target per cycle is 1.5%. So each time there's a buy, there's a target to take profit. So when it takes profits, it buys again. So it trades along in this range, and this is good for Bitcoin. Just when Bitcoin is consolidating, like for example, if say you see a pump like this, you can place this bot, and this bot is gonna make you money while Bitcoin is consolidating. You can see there's a zone here, and if say this bot is gonna be buying at different levels, this is by different levels, and I think if say Bitcoin get right down to 31,000, we're gonna see retracement back to the upside, and this bot will make you money. Like the idea is so amazing, guys. Like there are so much tools here that you can use to make one. But let's go back to what we have been discussing here, because I think it's very important I share some stuff with you. So let's get back to OD. This is OD. Yeah, OD is pumping, but now looking at this level, this is the 4 hours time frame for OD. Where should we expect a pullback? Well, we can expect a pullback if say price is not able to break this high. If price is not able to break this high, this high, then I think you can like start looking for ways to maybe sell OD or get out from OD completely. But if I look at the daily time frame for OD, I think that OD have a long way to go, because I can see here that if I zoom out on the daily time frame, look at the POC. The POC is sitting at the 7.480. That means this price can get right up to that zone, 7.480 for OD, right? And also you can look at this price and say, okay, OD also is sitting at a critical resistance level. Yeah, you can see this is a resistance level here. So if say OD is not able to break that area, then we can confirm that is a strong resistance and we can get out. But now we have seen a buy signal printed on the daily time frame, and the next buy signal, the last sell signal, or the last signal we saw was a sell signal, and this was at about $7. So it's right to say price can try to make it way back to that area, which is close to the POC on the daily time frame. So I think this is good for OD and those of you who are investing in it. Let's get to Baby Doge Coin. I told you guys to pay attention to Baby Doge Coin, in these zones. And this is a daily time frame for Baby Doge Coin. This bad boy Baby Doge, our baby. Okay, now guys, I drew this line here, this area here, and it's an area of value, right? And you can see here that price has been rejecting this area for Baby Doge Coin. I want you guys to, those of you who are buying Baby Doge Coin, pay attention to this. You can see price have been rejecting this area here, meaning the moment you see price break this zone, this bad boy is moving right up to about 0.00000035. That's the target for Baby Doge Coin. You have to be careful. Let me say be careful. You have to be focused when you are trading this coin, right? Don't just buy because you want to buy. Of course, you would have bought when you saw this buy signal printed here on the daily time frame. There's a buy signal here on the alpha trend. You would have bought this bad boy. But looking at this level, I would say that this bad boy has been going down. You can see below the alpha trend. So if we see price start trading above the alpha trend, then you want to place an order, just buy, because let's look at the distance, how much percentage we can expect for Baby Doge Coin if that happens. Let's see. Wow. I'm not able to see that properly. I think let me bring this indicator instead, so I can get price range. Let's see the price range for Baby Doge Coin. Let's see, that's gonna be what 1.6, almost 2x your money. So guys, this is amazing. Look at, like, trading is so straight, like investing is so straight, because you can mark different levels and see exactly where price can get to. Now let's just assume that we focus on the 4 hours time frame, right? Let's just assume that, okay, that's maybe like, guys, this will happen when the Bitcoin ETF is out. Yeah, this will happen. Now let's look at the 4 hours time frame. The buy signal here is so many on this trend, because this bad boy has been going to the downside. So I'm gonna take out this indicator first on the 4 hours time frame. I think it's lagging. It's not. Let me take it out on the 4 hours time frame for this Baby Doge Coin. Yeah. So you can see. Let me zoom this a little bit again. Okay. All right. Remember, guys, I told you guys, like, I did this back then. I think back then, like, analysis. I think my previous video, my previous live, I did analysis on Baby Doge Coin, and I told you guys that these areas where Baby Doge Coin is right now is an area where we need to see Baby Doge Coin hold and keep on going. So I want to see some pullback at least to this area. Yeah, this red line here in the middle. So if, say, price gets to that level on Baby Doge Coin and it's not able to break that level, like break this area, let me mark it for you, so you don't say the Better didn't show me the levels. I know most of you are investing in Baby Doge Coin. We're gonna do Floki Inu soon, but mark this zone. Yeah, this is a zone. When I say price come here, and price shouldn't break this area. Yeah, price should hold that zone. If price stays where it is good. You're right, but we don't want to see price break this zone and come back down. Yeah, it's not good for Baby Doge Coin. So I think right now on the 4 hours time frame, Baby Doge Coin looks bullish. It's in an uptrend, so pay attention to Baby Doge Coin. Let's move to Floki. The Floki. All right, Floki is doing similar thing with Baby Doge Coin, but let me bring in the alpha trend, indicator, so we can see. Okay, the alpha trend indicator is good here on the 4 hours time frame. It's not printing so many buys and sell. Yeah, if you can see, whenever there's a buy, there's a movement to the upside. Whenever there's a sell signal, there's a movement to the downside. Right, and we saw this buy signal. If, say, you would have had this indicator, it would have given you a signal. Like, guys, it's not always accurate, but most of the time you can look at the previous data. Like, if I look at previous data, I can see that this indicator has been accurate, like, to an extent. Like, now it's not like more accurate in. It's not more accurate in a sideways market. It's accurate on in an uptrend, like in a trading market. Like, if, say, price is about to actually go to the upside, you're gonna see price go to the upside. In this case, price was consolidating, and so price gave a buy signal, price gave a sell signal, price gave a buy signal. And if, say, you have other indicators or other ways to analyze the market, you would have understood that price get to this zone from a dip to the ups. Like, let's go to the daily time frame so we can see that. Okay, you can see price get to that zone, because the market was going down sideways. I think which platform is this? Am I looking at for Floki? Let me look at it in KuCoin. Yeah, I think the data for KuCoin is much better. Yeah, you can see price has been going down for Floki Inu. So it would have been wise for you to say, okay, if I see a buy signal here, then it means price is about to go to the upside. I didn't see this, guys. If I would have seen this, I think I would have bought Floki Inu, but again, maybe I wouldn't have bought it because I have a rule that I want to buy from retracement. Like right now, I think I would have start looking for ways to buy Floki Inu because Floki Inu has the price has reject from the POC, meaning if say price reject and price is not able to come and break this level here, and price makes its way to the upside and make higher highs, then I know Floki Inu is looking good to buy. But I predicted this move here. Those of you bought it, it's good to go. But if say you bought it and took out profit here, you can wait a little bit, and if say price hold this zone, because what price does is this is what will happen. This project, they have low liquidity, so because they have low liquidity, price tends to move so fast, right? So this is what we can expect with this with this coin. Now if say it holds on this on this zone here, the price can make like this then come back there, then you can buy now. Excuse, then you can buy now, right? But if you buy here, you are not sure if say price will keep going down, because you need to understand that the reason you are going to do this is because you're going to have confirmation that okay, price is making higher highs on the lower time frame, meaning if price does like that, come back, price might go back up. So in any case, you still buy it in a zone where it's still good, like this zone here, you buy and you take it back to the upside. So I love to do this with you guys because I want you guys to see like the power of technical analysis. You can chat anything you want to. If say you have the knowledge, you understand how the market works, nothing is gonna be difficult for you to do. Now let's go to CHPR. CHPR is one of those coins that has made me a massive reward, during this pump. And look, CHPR has come back to my zone where I want to buy it, 49. So you can see here also that like on the daily time frame for CHPR, let me zoom this, so let me bring this so you can see properly. Let me bring this so you can see closer, you can see. So now guys, let me bring this to the upside, so you can see this is what I love, guys. Blocking the volume profile give you exactly areas where price might move towards. You see, if say you would have been buying this bad boy, then you would have known that this is the area where price was going towards. Excuse guys. Excuse guys. So you would have known that because this is the value area high, then there is but normal to say if price makes its way to the up to this area here, we're gonna see pullback. And when we see pullback, then we want to wait for confirmation, because you can see this indicator here is moving back, is moving to the upside one. And my experience with this indicator, price can only break this indicator if say it's moving sideways. Like if it's moving sideways, you can see like this. Yeah, you can see if it's like sideways like this. But because it's pointing to the upside, it means we are still bullish for this. Like with bullish with CHRP. Yeah, CHRP. CHPR. Meaning, if we go to the lower time frame, let's say the 4 hours time frame, we can see price clearly on the POC. Meaning that zone is a critical zone, and that's been consolidating, like moving sideways. Yeah, on the 4 hours time frame, like this moving out this alpha trend, you can see here, and price has broken below the alpha trend, but price haven't printed a sell signal yet. And because price haven't yet printed a sell signal yet, it means we're gonna see price on the, like, let's go on the 1 hour time frame. Price is gonna make its way to the upside to retest this zone, this area here. Let me refresh this. You can see here, price will make its way to the upside. You can see, oh, on the 1 hour time frame, we have seen a sell signal here for CHPR. Okay, that means, like, when this happens, guys, price is gonna retest this zone, yeah, then for price can move back to the downside. So yeah, CHPR. But let me just bring the well, I don't know what's going on with me this morning. So excuse guys, let's bring the Fibonacci retracement so to see exactly where we can expect price to move towards. All right. So as we see, this retracement can come right down to this zone here, looking at this indicator here. But this will happen if, say, we see a sudden dip with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dip, then this is the area where you wanna see this bad boy. And if Bitcoin dip and retreat and bounce back from, like, guys, when I draw this Feb, zones, I do the same on Bitcoin. And if, say, price get to Bitcoin and bounce from the POC or this point of control, or I forgot the name of this this zone here, this zone that I just drew on the anyways, I forgot how the trading term to use. I forgot how to call it, but this zone here, is a zone that if, say, it price bounce on Bitcoin at the same area, then you want to wait for price to bounce also at the same area with CHPR and also other altcoins, because that's how it works. Or that's how you're gonna, what you're gonna use to make massive profits in the market with these coins. So yeah, that's that for Odile. No, sorry, for CHPR. CHPR, go and check out CHPR. You can buy CHPR on Bybit. Use my link below to register on Bybit. I'm also a partner of Bybit. I mentioned earlier in the stream that I'm a partner of Bybit. So use my link to join Bybit. Yeah. What do we have here today? Let me see if, say, I can check what I got again today. I have Floki Inu, CHPR, Audi. So let's do Solana. I think the last I'm gonna do right now is Solana. Let's get to the chart of Solana. Because Solana has been doing so well, guys. Solana has been doing so well. Let's see what we got here with this bad boy Solana. Solana is now at 38. Wow. Actually, guys, I have I don't know why Solana didn't come in. Let me see. Okay, this is Solana. Wow. Okay, now I've seen that this on the vector candles on the, like, now I'm not able to explain this to you well. Okay, whenever I see this, I know I won't talk much about vector candles with you guys. I'm still trying to understand how I can explain it to you, because it's not easy to explain to you. But this is the market maker's strategy, right? Yeah. So whenever you see this kind of candles print on the top, like you see here, it printed here, and we saw price retrace back, but we still see, like, because Solana is bullish. But whenever you see these candles printed and price we traced a little bit, and price is not able to break this area here, like the highs that the candle made, then you know that the movement has ended. We're gonna see back retracement. Okay, you can see this coin has been moving like crazy. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So okay, you can, let me just take this here. This coin has been moving like crazy. Solana, how many percent right now? 34% right now. And the reason why you are not seeing massive price action with Solana is because Solana have high liquidity. It has good liquidity. But if imagine that this would have been Ode or CHPR or Baby Doge Coin or Floki Inu, or Gala, wow, you would have made amazing profit, right? It would have been like 2x. That's why guys, I have to plug my charger or my stream might go off now. Oops. Let me block it quickly, guys. Wait. Wow, that was quick. All right, I have to plug my charger. So now, if say Solana is not able to break this zone here, as I mentioned, then price is gonna retrace back here at $36. And if say price is not able to hold $36 or $35,500, then we're gonna see price. Let me just draw this for the bottom retracement to see the zone where we are gonna see Solana. If that happens, okay, the first area is $35, and the second zone is $32. So mark those zones, $35 and $32. So when you see Solana in those areas, you wanna buy crazily, yeah. I mentioned Gala. Let's look at Gala. Gala is also a coin that I think you guys should be looking at. Let's see Gala Games. Wow, Gala Games has made its way back to the POC, towards the POC, and we have seen a sell signal here, and ever since we saw this sell signal, price is moving to the downside back to the POC, and price might not really to this area, like to touch this POC. This area here, is this zone here, this red in the middle, so price might not get there actually, but that's a zone where I think we might see a bounce back for Gala. I think I'm gonna start looking for if I see like a buy signal on Gala, I'm gonna buy Gala. Imagine that you had this indicator, right, guys, and you saw this buy signal here, and you reacted to this buy signal after the pump. Like you see, after this pump here, let me zoom this a little bit so we can see what I'm saying here. So you can see there was a buy signal. Let's assume that you missed out on this buy signal, and price went to the upside, and we saw this sell signal, right? After this sell signal, there was a buy signal again. And the reason why this is like I focus on this, like when price is already on the upside and you see a sell signal printed, you have to know that this is gonna be more of like retracement, right? And whenever you see a buy signal, then on that, like in the course of that uptrend, then you have to take it. Meaning, more buyers have come back, in the market. Like right now, if I see a buy signal, I'm gonna react instantly, like immediately on Gala. And the way I trade, or the way I trade spot. I'm not scared of liquidation, so I don't just buy everything at once. I buy with 10%, and if say I see we trace back, I buy another 10%. Trace back, I buy another. I buy until. So I focus until I get to a zone where I'm like, okay, if say price is at this area, then I think that I can now, let me say, buy with 1x or 2x leverage, and price will give me maximum profit. So that's how I go about doing this stuff. All right, guys, I've been streaming now for about 45 minutes. I think that's it for today. I'm gonna do my possible best to keep doing this every morning, but I cannot promise you guys I'm gonna be doing this every morning. If you are not yet a member of my community, make sure you join my community. Use the link tree below this video to either book an appointment with me if you want to talk on one-on-one crypto with you. If you say you want to be part of my community, you want to buy my NFT, buying my NFT is gonna give you access to all my platforms. It's a one-time buy. Those who are gonna hold my NFTs, I have my NFT already. If you hold my NFT, you won't be paying the monthly stuff. My NFT will give you access to me, give you access to the things I do. So make sure you have my NFT. So you're gonna I want to give most of you have my NFT access. So most of the things I do, if say there's something coming up that you have to pay a monthly fee, I might give you guys discount, or give you half the price, or maybe give you for free because you are holding my NFT. It will come with some benefit. And as we approach the bull market, if you really want to succeed in this game, then you must be willing to give also to someone who is helping you, or to people who are helping you to grow. All right, so buying my NFT is gonna be a way to help me, or be part of my Patreon. It's gonna be part of to help me, support this platform. I don't get any, I'm not that so much big channel like others out there that get big paycheck from YouTube. So your support be really cool. If say I have it. All right, guys. I think that's it for today. See you guys. I'm gonna stream. I think maybe at 1 today again. Yeah, I'm gonna stream at 1 today. So yeah, until 1 o'clock today. All right, guys. See you soon.